The decorator design pattern can be described abstractly as in this diagram, where we have a beverage which is decorated with something called an abstract condiment. In this case, we say that our beverage is called a component, to which we add a decorator that not only inherits from but also includes a beverage. And using this decorator requires us in the main Starburst class to create some kind of beverage, in this case coffee, and wrapping it with one or several applications of the abstract condiment sweetened beverage. So the effect of applying sweetened beverage twice is that we return 5 plus 5 to the original cost of coffee. So the result would be then to add 10 to the nominal cost of coffee. In sum, our decorator is a means of adding behavior dynamically to specific instances of a class. So we can say that a particular object of type coffee should be incremented with milk and sugar. We don't have to specify that all elements of a certain class should be augmented, but we can do it on an instance-to-instance basis. The abstract class beverage can be customized given the interface of a method cost and a method description, without knowing anything about the implementations in the form of coffee and tea. However, if we were to work with coffee and then manipulate it by adding condiments, we'd end up with something else than our original type object coffee. So also the abstract condiment is parallel to the other classes that inherit from beverage. So we cannot any longer rely on something that has sugar in it to be coffee. So coffee with sugar is not a type of coffee. Also, since this is the including objects in other objects is our mechanism for creating added behavior, we receive many small objects, which may give us a fragmentized view of an object structure, and the relationships might be difficult to entangle.